Hi, Professor. So for my example, I chose the function 3x squared minus 2x plus 3 divided by 3x minus 1 with a limit of 3. In this example, we can use direct substitution to figure out what our value is going to be. So when we do that, we end up having 3 times 3, 27, 3 squared times 3, 27, minus, here we go, if we put 3 there, minus 6 plus 3, end up with 24, and then on the denominator, 9 minus 1, okay, 8. So the answer comes out to 3 here for our function. And if we wanted to determine how these values were one-sided, to see from the left side, that would be the with the negative sign up here at the right side here. But what we do in that example from the left would be finding any values coming actually below or less than this value of 3. So in this case, something like 2.99, and we see that the y value ends up being close to 3, and 2.9, actually we would be going, if we were going left to right, it would be starting here and then up to this value here. But as you can see, if we start here at 2.913, and if we do our x at 2.99, we get our y at 2.991, which is bringing us closer to our limit of positive 3. On the flip side, if we do it from the other way around, with the plus here, coming down from the right side, okay, that would give us, let's see, the larger number here, 3.1, and the y getting close to 3 here. And if we look at 3.01, we can see that the y gets even closer to positive 3. So when we look at Desmos on the left side here, we can see with the value of 3 here, if I were coming from the left like this, then if I reached 3, there's my x and y. And then if I came from the right like this, there's my 3 again. So this is a not a continuous limit, but this does have a limit of 3, as we've shown here in this example. And let's see, anything else to explain? Oh, the asymptote, which is the denominator equal to 0. Sorry. So if we had the denominator equal to 0, that would be 1/3, which would kind of create this wall here, positive 1/3. And we could see that as the graph gets closer from the right side to positive 1/3, which would be about right here somewhere, as it gets closer to that, the values start going upwards into positive infinity. And then the same case as we have a slightly over from the right side of 0 being positive 1/3 here. Same case for on the left side. Now we get a negative infinity value. Okay, so that's my explanation of limits for this first video project. Thanks so much.